I am doing I'm lazy but I need to slightly pull myself together type of look, okay? So when I have to do anything at work that like requires me look slightly decent, I will throw on this makeup look, and that's what we doing today. Gonna pull it together. What are we gonna do first? Oh, we need to put on a little bit of primer. So when I turned 24, I turned into like a ball of grease. Before that, I had like combination dry skin, but now my skin is just like oil everywhere. So I use the Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer. This works super well, actually. I was very surprised. I don't truly know what it's supposed to do, but I told somebody my problem at Sephora, and she was like, use this. Thanks, ma'am. Woo, okay. So I'm just gonna put it all over my skin. It feels so good already. It's gonna make me look pale AF, but it's fine. I don't even have a mirror. Like, I do not like looking at y'all. That's hella weird. Looking into your soul. Ugh. So the key to this makeup look is to throw as much or as little crap on your face as possible and make yourself look less like you just rose from the dead. So to start, we're just gonna do eyebrows. So, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. So with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, I'm just going to take and do light strokes around my eyebrows. So you can tell I have thick AF eyebrows, so it's really easy to just go ahead and fill them in. That's part of the reason, like, I don't really pluck my eyebrows at all. This is what I do. I just like have a little teaser doodad and I go like this, and that's literally it. So I look less like a wolf sometimes, but like it's not actually doing your eyebrows at all. Jeez, and I really think I hadn't done that much in like 3 months, 3-4 months, yeah. That's weird. But anyway, so real quick, filling of the eyebrow. And then one of my favorite products that I've been using for stinking ever, and I honestly overbuy it because I love it that much, is the NYX Control Freak Gel. I love this eyebrow gel. Like, it's gonna keep my eyebrows exactly where I want them all stinking day. And then it rinse right out. It's good though, I love it. So what I do is I like flick it upward at the front, and I'd like move it out and down. Ooh. Alright. Yeah, and then like if I want my eyebrows to be darker, let's say like I'm actually like for real low-key trying to get it like slay, yeah, that's what I'll use. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills like brow what is this shit called? It's like a pomade like stuff in a tube. I don't even know what it is. The name ran off of it, but I basically, instead of using the Control Freak, I'll use this and then brush it out again with a spoolie. And then I get like extra brownness. But today, we doing my ultimate lazy, so that's not what we doing. All right, so now it's time to put some concealer on. And you're gonna be like, girl, you pale right now, but trust me, I got this. Got this stuff. I got this, cuz. So now, what is on my nose? We are just putting a tiny bit, bloop bloop, right? Because all we really want to do with this concealer is look less like we haven't slept well in 3 months. You know, if we're gonna be honest here. And that's it, really. I just like use those flats. I don't even know what you call this. A flat top foundation brush from Juvia's Place, 12. Anyway, that's the name, there you go. Oh, and the color that I'm using in this is like, it's a Born This Way in the color Warm Sand. I really like just warm tones on my skin. So it's gonna all pull together, and I'm gonna, one, it's slightly lighter than my skin tone, but it's really, really close to my skin tone. So when I put on my next step, it's all gonna blend together like, whoo. So now that that's all blended together, we are going to use this product. So right now we're going to use the Sephora MicroSmooth in the color tan. It's 40. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a powder. I used to use the MAC one, but I lost it like shortly after buying it, and I realized I just don't deserve nice things. So I use this, and this is a really good color for me as well. I also want to try their number 35, which I think might slightly match me better, but with this makeup look, it all works because right now I look like an egg. So oops. So I just dab into it with this giant MAC 15 OS brush, and I just set my entire face, bringing in that warmth, looking less like an egg in literally 3 seconds. And this is it. Done with that, right? So now I look less like an egg, I look more alive, but don't worry, I'm still not the right skin tone. I'm aware I will deepen in a second. One more second, we got bronzing. All right, so now I need to fix my eyebrows because I forgot. So we're gonna do this in the easiest way possible because I already set the rest of my foundation. So I'm gonna grab my my concealer, little, I don't know, angled brush, and I'm just gonna real lightly go under my brow. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just doing unders because if I do the upper, it's a little harder to blend up there, so it like looks shiny. I don't like that. Okay. So now, using the same brush, we are going to just blend. Okay. All right, and so now it's almost over, actually. We are going to grab some blush, and I love the like burnt orange color blushes, so we're gonna grab that, throw it on the cheeks real quick. Right, I low-key put hella, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I just go hard because that's the most color that I'm getting on my face. And then we're gonna take this Juvia's Place contour palette. I've been using this for years. Like, I just buy it over and over again. So I love this brand, I love this palette, it's awesome. All right, so then we're just gonna blend right on top of that blush, right? The key is to really just find your good like warm color, because then you can just like rock with anything for real. Right, and then I went under my brow, so it really even further blended out what I had up under my eyebrow. Okay, so now that I'm nice and warmed, I am going to put on, oh duh, all right, we really almost done. My highlight real quick, cheekbones as well. This is from CAMMORGAN boutique. It's actually my makeup boutique, and it's amazing. It basically blends into this beautiful liquid on your skin. Look at that. So when you're like right up front, you can't see it, like you don't see a stripe on me at all. That I hate those freaking highlighters that do that. So now that that's over, really all I would do for like real life, I'm jamming to work, mascara. That's all we're gonna do is mascara. That's it. Okay, and this is basically it. This is basically my I'm barely trying, let's go to Kroger slightly attractive type of look. I wear this anywhere. It's super duper comfy and I recommend 100%. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments down below if you have a makeup routine slightly like this, or you want me to, like, you think I should try certain products. Let me know, please. Techno party. All right, this is it. This is the end of my video. I hope you like it. Bye.